State President ke BJP Meghalaya Bah Ernest Mauri ulaong. Ba don kanu ke jingtip halor ki khubor baki MLA ke All India Trinamool Congress ha Meghalaya kinwan penyesot no sa ke BJP. Hakabay day pat bat ke jingkran uba AL hack halor ke suki President ke BJP ha Meghalaya ulaong bag samoy tray kam jong National President ke BJP UJP Nadaru lapan jalan kumta amla ban penlong election jet President hagi jela kat ba 4 jet thamai yo National President.
No information to us till today. Whether the TMC MLA they will join us, we are not aware. Maybe they discuss with him. He has already given the statement in the press, the cup of tea and discuss with them. So from the party side, we cannot give any statement until unless they approach us. Given by Bah Ernest, our MLA and minister today, it is his personal statement. The term of the president of the BJP, it is 3 years, not 2 years. So, my term is already over. And in the month of January, 13 January 2023 this year, we have the Central Executive Committee, National Executive Committee held in Delhi, where the Honorable Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced for extension the term of the National President GP Nadaji till 24 June 2024, mean after the election. Unless the centre announced the election of the National President, we cannot have election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement. And I think you all remember Bah has been the president of the party in the year 2003 till 2006. You see, I have completed my term, 3 years, as prescribed in the constitution of the party. It depends on the party. I cannot give statement that I will continue or discontinue. That decision will be taken by the central leader. As I have already informed you that even the term of the national president has been extended from 13 January 2023 to 24 June 2024.